If you want to save money, watch this video all the way to the end and I'll show you how to do that and where. First of all, you go into, since we were talking about saving money, let's go into my deals. Look at all the places you can save money. You can save money where you eat, where you play, where you shop, and travel. Now, travel, that's a big one. You can save a lot of money on travel. So now if we go back into the system again, and you can see your, like, if you want to download this on an app, you just go there and you can download this on your computer, on your cell phone, should say. And then if you go in there, you can see all your own info. And if you go here, you can see your order history and who's all on your team here. And once you once you start advertising and click on referrals, you'll get an email with each referral. So you have all the information you need to follow up. And I always follow up because most people will not join on the first time they see something. They want more information, so they usually got some questions to ask you. So that's why I follow up and I answer their questions, and then they can decide what they want to do. And if you go there, you'll see who your enroller is, but you should know that already. And if you go here for webinars, it'll show you the webinars. We have 3 webinars a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. And let's say you can't make those times, you're working or something else. You just go to YouTube and all the replays will be there, so you won't miss anything. You can watch them all there. And you go back in there, and if you want to see all the training you get with this system, first of all, you get about a 10-minute introduction here at the training. Then you go in there, we got a 90-day blitz, so you can study that and see what all there is. And then you go to marketing material and compensation. Now, if somebody asks you about the compensation plan, don't try and explain it. Just tell him to watch this video, and he can watch it more than once and he'll understand it. But if you try to explain it to him, he probably won't understand it anyway. So I always send him to the video. I don't try and explain it. Then you go back into the system again, and there you can check all your earnings. And let's see, what else did I want to tell you? So I don't know if I covered everything or not. And anyways, if you want more information, I'm going to leave my contact information under the video, and also a link where you can watch one of the webinars to get more information. And then that'll help you make up your mind. And if you got questions, don't hesitate to call me. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.